Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to simplify this expression. So we have two square roots here, root 25 and root 24. If you are to simplify root 25, we have that root 25 is equal to root 5 times 5, which is root 5 squared, and this is equal to 5. So if we simplify root 24, we have root 24 to be equal to root 4 times 6, which is the same as root 4 times root 6, which is the root of 4 to root 6. So the expression becomes root 5 minus 2 root 6. Now, here is the trick you need to know. Whenever you see something like this, a square root with another square root inside, you just need to know what to look for. So we are just going to look for an expression that when squared will give us something that looks like 5 minus 2 root 6. Now let's assume that we have this expression, root p minus root q. So if we square this, we have root p minus root q squared. Now this is the same as root p minus root q, root p minus root q. Now if we expand this, we have root p squared minus 2 root p root q plus root q squared. So this turns out to be, this cancels this, we have p minus 2 roots p times q, which is pq, plus this q. So from here, if you are to arrange this, we have p plus q minus 2 roots pq. Now this looks like our expression 5 minus 2 root 6. So we can then say that root 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to root p minus root q. Now, if we square both sides, we have root 5 minus 2 root 6 squared is equal to root p minus root q squared. So if this cancels this, we have 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to root p minus root q squared. And from our solvings, we've already established that root p minus root q squared is equivalent to p plus q minus 2 root p q. From here, if we are to compare both sides, p plus q will be equal to 5 and then PQ comparing with this will be equal to 6. So now we have to find two numbers that when we add it, it becomes 5, and when we multiply, it becomes 6. So our numbers are 3 and 2, because 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So from this point, this implies that our P is equal to 3 and our Q is equal to 2. So 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to root P minus root Q, which equals root 3 minus root 2. If this helped you understand better, hit the like button, subscribe to CJ Math, and share this with a friend who thinks math is hard. And see you in my next tutorial.